Your fingers hesitate over the keyboard. The cursor blinks, slow, deliberate, like it already knows your move. You scroll through restore_world.py. It's not normal code, Python mixed with something else, like instructions for reality. Functions like restart_power_grid, rebuild_networks, sync_human_nodes, appear where logic shouldn't exist. Then you see a red line. #warning. Executing this may overwrite current reality state. The terminal types. Confirmation required. Continue restoration protocol? Options. Yes. No, your system freezes, not lags something deeper. Everything is waiting on you. The screen flickers, cities, lights, life, gone. The cursor moves on its own. Debug reality. Now it's not about code, but which world exists when you press enter. Silence. 3 choices glow. Yes. No. Debug reality. You move to decide. Everything freezes. The options vanish. A line appears. Print, hello, world. A voice whispers. Before you choose the world, understand the language. Next. What is